HOLT CAT is a family-owned CAT heavy equipment and engine dealer with 28 stores across Texas. HOLT's Cleburne location carries the full line of CAT backhoe loaders, both new and used, and provides sales, rental, parts, and service for the full line of CAT equipment. The new F-Series backhoes include a long life emissions package that minimizes owning and operating costs. F-Series loaders deliver 12% more lifting power and 7 inches more dump clearance. Powered by clean, fuel-efficient CAT C4.4 Assert engines, F-Series backhoes deliver fuel efficiency, response, and performance. The larger torque converter of the F-Series delivers up to 14% more rim pull for better loading, traveling, and pushing. Established in 1933, HOLT is the only CAT dealer in the world with a rich history dating back to Benjamin Holt, who developed the Caterpillar tractor in 1904. HOLT operates by a set of core business values that guide how employees interact both with customers and each other. For more information, click to visit holtcat.com.